Put this into your sock. This dried plant is perfect for that. Just use a sock or pantyhose. It can be a piece of a sock with a cut-off holey heel. It can also be a piece of pantyhose that you were going to throw away. Just cut off the end. Pour 1 tablespoon of dried lavender into it, 1 tablespoon of dried mint. If you don't have mint from your garden, use tea mint bought in the store. Tie the pantyhose with the herbs. This little bundle is very valuable. Both plants used in this video have extraordinary properties and are often used in household settings. They are known primarily for their calming properties. Especially lavender has relaxing and sleep-inducing effects. If you put such a bundle under your pillow, you will ensure a deep sleep. The bedroom will be filled with a soothing scent that will calm you before bedtime. Mint facilitates breathing. When you have a cold, its scent alleviates cold-related problems and clears the respiratory passages. Mint and lavender are also often used to repel insects and pests. Ants, bedbugs, or cockroaches don't like their scents. Leaving a sachet with mint and lavender in the wardrobe will deter moths. You won't have to worry about your clothes. Moths certainly won't come near them. This one small sachet can have many uses. All thanks to mint and lavender.